My name is Josephine Antelmi. I was born in 1917 to Michael and Anna Izzo. I was the first of 9 children and lived on Pond Street in Syracuse, New York. I was also raised on the family farm on Thompson Road in Cicero, New York. I married Bill Antelmi and moved to my lifelong home on South Roxford Road in Libcourt, New York. I had 4 children, Angelina, Rocco, Michael, and Anna Marie, and 6 grandchildren. I was a lifelong communicant of St. Daniel's Church and lived to 103 years of age. Even though I lived to 103, I still remember being a child, even when I lost a silver dollar 95 years ago. I was playing with it and it rolled away in our downstairs kitchen and we never found it. Goodbye, good people. I will miss you.